Add and format text to draw attention to important details and information. Let's start by adding text. Place the cursor where you want to add text and start typing. To replace text, like a single word, double-click it, then type what you want in its place. Let's change the format of a whole line. Click to the left of the line to start customizing. You can change the font, font size, and color. Select bold, italic, and underline to further customize the text. To copy the formatting and apply it elsewhere, select Format Painter. Then select the text you want to apply it to. You can also find these options under the Home tab.